Pit Viper John Wick 4. Ito yung pinaka budget meal na meron tayo for the John Wick 4 Pit Viper. Shoutout kay Sir Christian for COD to, going to Ilocos Norte. Ayan, so may complete marking siya ng Pit Viper, TTI markings, and then naka fiber optic sights front and rear sight, adjustable yung trigger, naka staple yung grip, and then may magwell siya with TTI markings and TTI base plate. So may compensator siya. By the way, yung metal niya, yung slide niya is metal construction. Same with the frame. And then for the price, ang price nito is 4,900. Kasama yung case, cleaning rod, extra nozzle, continental coin, and continental card. Ayan. So for ano lang to, mga chuchu lang itong mga to. Hindi mo naman to magagamit. So ayan. So 3038, test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. Teka, ayusin lang natin ang corona natin. Itong mga to, makikita nyo to sa budget meal folder natin. Test. For details, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavsabi Shop. And again, kung naghahanap kayo ng budget meal na unit, check nyo to sa budget meal folder natin sa Google Drive.